Okay, question 10. The graph y equals a plus bx minus x squared is shown. Part A, circle the coordinates of the turning point of the curve. So what we need to know is what the turning point means. The turning point is where the graph starts to turn and change direction. So we can see the graph is going upwards from left to right. It then gets shallower and shallower, then it gets to a flat part, and then it starts to go down. So the turning point is that flat point here. So we just need to read off the coordinates 2, 16. So it's this answer here that we need to give. Then the second bit, it says circle the value of a. So if we look at the equation, we can see that a is just a constant. Okay, and if we have an equation where y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, so this is a quadratic equation, is rewritten written here as a different way. We've got minus x squared here, so the minus gives us this n shape. Normally with quadratics we're used to seeing a u-type shape because this is positive, so if this part is positive that gives us a u shape. So that's why it's like this, because it's negative. But the constant on the end tells you where it crosses the y-axis. So it crosses the y-axis at 12. So the constant is, which this is labelled differently to this one, but the value on its own is 12. So it should be y equals 12 plus bx minus x squared. So a must be 12. In part C, it then says, circle the two roots of the equation a plus bx minus x squared equals 0. So we need to know that the roots are where the graph crosses the x-axis, and we can read that off as being -2 and 6. So those would be our two roots.